quick and easy way to set up your throttle cable. And this goes for either a twist handlebar type or a foot pedal. Predators and Hondas are super easy because they already have the linkage up on top. We just gotta get to it. Regardless of how you're actuating it, you will want to hook up either the twist handle or through the pedal first. The awesome thing about the Predators are there's two ways of connecting it. So we've got some sheathing and a cable that moves within it. So there are a couple different ways where we can attach that cable. One is up through the back and attach it to this nut. Or the way I'm gonna do it is come in through the side, send the cable and sheathing through this little bracket and tighten down on that sheathing. Not the cable, just the sheathing. Send the cable through that hole and tighten on the bolt on top. Both do the exact same thing. It just comes down to if you want to come in from the rear or the side. Quick tip, if you do not want the pull stud to go into the back of the seat, well, you can easily rotate it and resecure it. This is just a small little spring. Sometimes it doesn't push the lever all the way back, which you will want. I always will add a return spring just to make sure it fully closes. Now it's time for fun.